3, and we got this open. So not too hard. Let's move over to this one that I know has 4 security pins inside. Okay, click out of 1, we dropped into a false set. Counter rotation on 2, that's a spool. 3, same thing, another spool. 4, another spool. And 5. Come on, there we go. We got that open. So even with 4 spools, it's not too hard, but it will require at least some picking skills. That said, it's a bit strange to have locks with between 1 and 4 security pins because the picking experience differs so dramatically. Like I said, I even tore one apart to confirm there was only 1 spool, and that was the case. It's a strange choice by Masterlock, but not nearly so strange as their decision not to shield the back of the keyway. That makes this easily bypassable. We can just go through, I don't know if I'll do all of these locks, but you'll be able to see that opening these locks is something that requires pretty much no skill at all. By the way, this is not a standard padlock bypass tool, so if this is something you want to see me make and sell over at Covert Instruments, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Okay, folks, I don't know what to say about this. It's a clear design flaw that I've spoken about dozens of times in the past. Someone at Masterlock must know better, but they seem to have designed a new padlock from scratch and just ignored this fundamental of lock design. Masterlock, please do better. To everyone else, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day.